One of the things that is crucial to our personal growth and development is being self-aware. And what is self-awareness, you might be asking? It really is the ability to objectively recognize and understand your own thoughts, feelings, and behaviors and how they might impact others. And why is that important? Well, self-awareness or being self-aware helps you to identify your strengths. It helps you to identify areas where you need to improve, thus opening the space for you to make changes, the changes needed for you to become the best version of yourself. The more self-aware you are, the more you're able to identify patterns in your thoughts and behaviors. And the more you can do that, the more you become aware of your own emotions and motivations, which then leads to improved decision making and allows you to be more empathetic and understanding of others. Which leads me to the point that self-awareness also plays an important role in the workplace as well. Because when you're self-aware, it helps you to better understand your own work style, how you interact with others, which then leads to improved communication and collaboration. Overall, being self-aware is such a valuable skill because it allows all of us to live a more fulfilling and successful life, both personally and professionally. So, look, keep on pushing.